What if I told you a single AI update just made your entire tech stack totally obsolete? Welcome to this explainer. Google just quietly dropped an absolute revolution. And look, if you care at all about your daily productivity, you literally cannot afford to miss this. Let's get into it.
Seriously, think about this for a second. What if one single AI could replace your researcher, your data analyst, your presentation designer, and, wait for it, even your podcast host, all at the exact same time? I know, it sounds totally like sci-fi, right? But the stakes for your daily workflow just skyrocketed. Because Google just quietly released exactly that. Today, we're breaking down how we went from simple notes to action, how they're solving the trust problem, instant content and study, and the future of AI productivity.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, from notes to action.
So for a while now, we've had NotebookLM. And, it was useful, but it was pretty limited in what it could actually do. So Google went ahead and secretly rebuilt the whole thing from the ground up as Gemini Notebook. This isn't just a note taker anymore. It's an entirely new AI workspace, designed to literally think, organize, and create right alongside you.
Think about how you normally research a complex topic, like, say, quantum computing. You're opening dozens of tabs, frantically skimming articles, trying to compare sources, manually copying and pasting notes. Well, Gemini Notebook changes the entire game. You just type in your topic, and bam, it becomes your personal AI research agent. It searches trusted info, collects high-quality sources, and automatically organizes the whole shebang. It literally collapses hours of frantic tab switching into minutes. It's exactly like hiring a full-time research assistant who never, ever sleeps.
But here's where it gets crazy. It goes way deeper than just gathering text. Most AI tools out there, they can write code for you to copy and paste. But Gemini Notebook, it actually executes the code. Do you need complex calculations run, spreadsheet analysis, mathematical models, or charts? The AI writes the code, runs it right there, and gives you the final results all inside your workspace. For engineers, students, business folks, this is a massive, massive upgrade. You get immediate, actionable data without ever leaving the app.
And this whole setup completely cures tool fatigue. Gemini Notebook fully supports PDFs, Google Docs, Sheets, websites, YouTube videos, images, and EPUB books, all in one perfectly organized place. Because the AI understands all these different formats at the same time, it makes it incredibly easy to cross-reference stuff and discover insights you absolutely would have missed otherwise.
Moving right along to Section 2, solving the trust problem.
Okay, we all know this pain point. You ask an AI a question, it spits out this brilliant-sounding answer, and then you just kind of freeze. You think, wait, where did the AI actually get this answer? We are all terrified of AI hallucinations. Nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to use made-up data for a massive work presentation or a final exam. Trust is easily the biggest hurdle stopping us from using AI in serious professional settings.
Well, Gemini Notebook solves this beautifully. Every single response now comes with verifiable proof. They've rolled out these clickable citations, which are basically instant links baked right into the AI's response. You click once, and boom, it takes you directly to the exact paragraph in your uploaded source documents that the AI used to build its answer. It makes your research virtually bulletproof. This is an absolute game changer if you need information you can actually rely on.
Which brings us to Section 3, instant content and study.
Just imagine this. You upload a dense 50-page research report and simply tell the AI, hey, turn this into a professional presentation. Within literal minutes, Gemini Notebook generates a polished slide deck for you. And if you need to tweak something, you just edit that one specific slide. You don't have to force the AI to rebuild the entire thing from scratch. Then you just export the whole shebang directly as a PowerPoint file. It's wild. And the evolution of Google's famous AI audio feature is just incredible because now it is fully interactive. You can actually talk back to the AI hosts. You can interrupt them, ask real-time questions, or just be like, hey, explain that more simply, all while their conversation continues. Oh, and even more impressively, it can now generate cinematic, fully narrated video overviews of your dry documents. It basically turns boring text into highly engaging educational videos.
Now, for any students out there stressing over exams, listen up. There is a new AI study assistant. Using only the trusted learning materials that you upload, the AI instantly generates flashcards, practice quizzes, study guides, timelines, mind maps, you name it. It completely automates the absolute most tedious parts of exam prep.
24. I want to make the stakes here very personal for a second. Having this tool in your back pocket is exactly like having a personal tutor sitting next to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The competitive advantage this is going to give students and self-learners, it is truly hard to overstate.
Finally, let's look at Section 4, the future of AI productivity.
So here is the really crucial point, how this whole thing connects to the wider world. Your private notebooks now integrate directly with the main Gemini app. What that means is Gemini can combine your highly specific private knowledge, like your personal notes and uploads, with fresh, live web intelligence straight from Google Search. Honestly, it's one of the smartest, most powerful AI integrations we've ever seen released.
To really summarize the epic scope of this update, Gemini Notebook is not just a note-taking app anymore, not even close. It is becoming a complete AI operating system for knowledge. It researches, it analyzes, writes, codes, builds presentations, generates audio, produces videos, and helps you learn way faster. This is literally Google's vision for how we are all going to work in the very near future.
So, the only question left really is, how are you going to use it? Will Gemini Notebook become your brand new everyday AI assistant? Does this completely replace your current workflow, or, are you still a little skeptical? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. We really want to hear exactly how this might impact your day-to-day work. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and as always, stay curious.